Hello everyone, my name is Mujib. I am the founder and CEO of ClinoSol Research. So I am here to make an announcement that we have successfully conducted more than 30 workshops in 2023 and initial months of 2024. So I am here to give proposals for workshop to be conducted in academic institutions at a different locations. Now we have multiple proposals for conducting workshops on multiple themes with multiple industry speakers. So we have 2 days of workshop, hands-on workshop to be conducted from morning to afternoon. We will be having a lot of sessions from industry expert, and afternoon to evening we will have a hands-on workshop which will be done by the students itself. So now 2 days workshop will have a 2 days of industry expert sessions and also hands-on with certification and also an MOU and also an mock interviews to be taken on 2 days of workshop. We also have a proposal for 4 days of workshop which includes 8 into 4 hours, which is nearly 30 hours of time to be conducted for your hands-on workshop with initial morning to afternoon of sessions, and later on we have a practical hands-on case based scenario to have a discussion within the students and work it out on that 4 days of workshop. We also have a proposal for 10 days of workshop, like each day of 3 hours or 4 hours of training. For 10 days we can conduct a lot of workshops and based on the industry experts and also hands-on. And we also have 3 months of training program, which will be a weekend training program, like Friday and Saturday, 2 days of industry experts and also hands-on training will be given for 3 months based on the requirement of the college. Also we also have a requirement, or we also have a proposal of 6 months of training program to be given to the colleges, wherein colleges can give what are the themes they wanted to conduct and how they wanted to conduct. We also have a proposal for faculty development program. We can conduct 1 week of faculty development program, which can include different topics and different aspects of pharmacy related activities which we can do in faculty development program. We also have a proposal for conducting 2 days of international conference with industry expert speakers, and also a lot of MOUs can be exchanged and a lot of placement opportunities can be created for the conferences. We also have a proposal for conducting of hackathon, so wherein we will give a workshop on hackathon and ideas, and we will form a groups and we will ask them to create their own ideas, and more ideas will be put into the hackathon. So these are the proposals for conducting different activities in your academic institutions, which includes your 2 days of workshop, 4 days of workshop, 10 days of workshop, 3 months of training program, 6 months of weekend training program, conferences and hackathon. All the themes can be included, including your clinical research, CDM, pharmacovigilance, medical writing, regulatory affairs and artificial intelligence and machine learning, and also on clinical trial management systems, on clinical data analytics, or on your hackathon ideas. So we have multiple topics where people can choose, or academic institution can choose for it. The advantage of this is directly industry academic collaboration will be done. Industry speakers will be coming and they will be conducting this kind of activities or this kind of training programs according to your academic institution need. And also one of the biggest advancement, or one of the biggest advantages, we will be providing the hands-on training and also the certification. We have provided the hands-on training on clinical data analytics by using Power BI. We have given artificial intelligence and machine learning workshop for one more university. We have conducted CR and medical rewriting workshop, CR and PV workshop, and also CR, CDM and PV workshops also we have conducted. So please do reach out for conducting any kind of workshops in your academic institutions to my number, which is 9121151622, or you can mail me at mujib@clinosol.com for more information. I'll be happy to make more arrangements for your 2 days or 4 days or 10 days of workshop, or one international conferences, or hackathon ideas, or faculty development programs we can conduct, or 3 months or 6 months of trainings we can conduct. So with this, I would like to thank all my previous activities or previous workshops which we have conducted. I would like to thank all the academic institutions who have conducted the different workshops and conferences, and also the FDP programs along with ClinoSol collaboration. So thank you so much, and do reach out me at mujib@clinosol.com or 9121151622 number for more information. Thank you so much.